Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. My name is Imani, and if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning subby, thank you so much for supporting my channel and coming back to watch another video. So you all, let's go ahead and get started. I am filming this on Thursday, so before the weekend begins, we are cash stuffing $100 of prop money, and we have already transferred the money over into the bank. So we're going to go ahead and play until we have all of our money go. So we have the following savings challenges. We have about 5 savings challenges that we're doing. These challenges are going to fund our high priority sinking funds. So these savings challenges are just a fun way to save for those categories. So the challenges that we are doing are, so we're doing the mystery 50, I always say it wrong. We're doing the 50 mystery envelope box. And this is from Dawn at Funding Magita Jones. We're doing the Make It Rain Savings Challenge from Dee's Digital World. We're doing the Save Your Ace Challenge from Gina Renee RN Budgets. We're doing the Roll the Dice Savings Challenge from Red to Black Budgeting. And we're doing the Save 2024 in 2024 from Nita with the Almost Organized Owl. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so we are going to get started. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you had a great Valentine's Day. What else happened? Super Bowl. If you were watching Super Bowl and you love football, I hope you enjoyed it. We ended up going to a friend's house to watch the Super Bowl. We kind of do it as a tradition every year. I don't really watch football, but I do watch it for the Super Bowl. And I was going for the 49ers because my dad has always loved the 49ers since I can remember, like as a kid. So I was going for them. I thought they were going to pull through, but they did not. But it's okay. The halftime show, that was like a trip down memory lane. That was cool as well. So yeah, all right, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to start with the Make It Rain Savings Challenge. This is from Dee's Digital World. And the last time I tried to do this, or print it off rather, the last time I did this, I printed it off and I had to write it in because I couldn't figure out my print settings. This time I was able to get it all on the same page, but it looks a little shifted. But we're not going to worry about that, right? Because we don't have more ink to waste. So we're just going to go with the flow. But we are going to color in 5. I think we're going to do 5 raindrops again. Purple rain, purple rain. Something about these raindrops, they're just so cute. I love them. And I love the fact that it's purple and not blue because I love purple. And then I think of that Prince song, Purple Rain, when I'm coloring this. So yeah, that's cute. Go check out Dee's Digital World. She has an Etsy shop. I think this year she's focusing on her Buy Me a Coffee shop. So I'll leave everything down below, all of the shops that I mentioned. But yeah, so 25 we are stuffing because each raindrop is worth $5. So this is a cute challenge, and it also is pretty easy to save. And yeah, we should be at 500 hopefully at some point in the near future. Okay, and she has this nice little envelope. I was able to print that off as well. So I think it is super cute. Now, the next challenge we're going to do is, since we have it out. Oh, we started at 100, so let me go ahead and deduct 25 so we can keep a running total. And we're going to do Save 2024 in 2024 by Nita And I love this challenge as well. I see so many people doing this challenge. It's so cute, it's so fun. You can break it up by seasons. Of course, I didn't do that. I was just trying to find the number that was left so I wouldn't have an IOU. But you can do it however you like. We are going to, we are going to, I don't like this color. Let's choose a different color. Let's choose pink. And I have these highlighters, so they're not the best with coloring with the border, and it kind of bleeds through, so I'm going to try not to color in the numbers, but try to color around the numbers, I should say. But we're going to go with, I want to fill every row before I go to the next row. So we're going to try for, I'm going to choose 11 in this row. 11, and we're going to do, we might as well do 5. It's staring in my face for some reason. And we are going to do 9 so we can have it be an even 50 that's left. Okay, so 9 plus 11 is 20, plus 5 is 25. That worked out perfectly, right? I didn't even plan that. Okay, 25. And this also has a cute envelope as well. I love it, I love it, I love it. So many talented Etsy shops and creators. So we are not going to count this right now because A, I didn't get any sort quick like I said I was. And B, yeah, we're just not going to count it right now. We're not going to count it right now because we should have $2,024 at the end of this challenge. So we will count it once we finish. Okay, next we're going to do Save Your Age. This is from Gina Renee RN Budgets. And we are saving $20 because my oldest daughter is 20 at the current moment. And this will hopefully be used to fund, some of it is going to go to her college tuition. Again, when I finish all of these challenges, I haven't decided yet which amount is going to go to which fund, but we're just saving kind of a lump sum of all of this money. And when we complete it, we'll decide where it's going to go. So I think that'll take some of the stress off of it for me because things come up, and I will just save until we get to the end of the challenge, and then we'll see where it best will go. So right now we have $60, 20, 40, 60 saved for this challenge. And we're going to subtract, because I almost forgot. We're going to subtract another 20, so that's 30 left. So I think before we do roll the dice, we're going to do the mystery 50 envelope challenge. And this is such a cute challenge from Dawn. I love it so much because it has a plant theme to it. As you can see, the outer box as well as the envelopes inside the box. She did tell me that the last time when I scratched the amount, there's 2 sides. One is like a silvery side and one is a gold side. So I think we're going to stick to the silvery side because I forget what she told me, but we're just going to wing it. We're going to be brave and hopefully not get anything over 30, so we won't have an IOU. So, this is interesting. Okay, we're gonna scratch this one, and of course, I can't find my scratcher tool, so I'll be right back. So cute. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and scratch. Hopefully we picked the right envelope. Let's see. Yeah, oh, I thought it was a 15. No, it's 45. Okay, so what we're gonna do in that instance is, womp womp, we're gonna have an IOU. We're gonna have an IOU, but that's okay. You know what? It's okay. I know it's like imaginary debt, right, Melissa? But that's okay. we'll pick up where we left off. And we can't do roll the dice today because we don't have any more money. But let me get a sticky because I want to make sure I remember to put 15 in here. You win some, you lose some. Okay, I owe you 15. And I found my stickies today, so I'm happy about that. But we'll just keep it right here. And hopefully I'll look back at this video and remember to start with this challenge first. See, I was trying to go brave and go big, but now I'm going home. So we are done. So that's it. So we did 1, 2, 3, and 4 challenges. Not mad about that. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I am about 25 subscribers away from 1K, and at that time, I will be thinking and coming up with something very soon to do for my 1K subscriber giveaway. I thank you all so much for your support along this YouTube journey. And I did upload my first video, I believe March 1st of 2022. So I'm coming up on 2 years come this March. So I would love to be at 1K. So do what you can to help me get there. Thank you for your support, your love, your encouragement. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.